Okay, so we have about 1 minute for me to say this information. This is a trade I'm in. This is a US dollar Japanese yen currency pair. I'm shorting it. We just had the interest rate 30 minutes ago come out for the United States, and they could either have done a 75 basis point hike or a 100 basis point hike, and they chose to go with the 75. Most people know that that's not sufficient, and we needed that 100 basis point hike, but as I've mentioned in other videos, the state of the US economy and how much debt they are in, they can't really afford to raise interest rates as much as they need to, because they would have to simply print more money to pay off, make interest payments on their debt, because they can't afford, they're not going to raise taxes extremely to pay for it. So anyways, looking for the US dollar Japanese yen to head downwards, 230 right now. This is when the press conference starts. So we're going to hear from Jerome Powell. He's going to try his best to talk up the US dollar. The chart is telling me that we are setting up to head down. And you can see the series of consecutive highs, or higher lows, sorry. And what I'm expecting is a break of the trend line and a head down to this bottom support right here. Looking at the higher time frames, such as the monthly, we are extremely overextended to the upside. The weekly as well shows that. Chances are we're just making a top wick on this weekly candle. So you could probably take shorts and put your stop loss above this wick, and you would be fine if this trade is going to work, because now we should be seeing the fuel to basically move this trade. So that's the US dollar Japanese yen short that I'm looking at. As it's pulling back up here, I may end up adding to my position and just watching this high. If it doesn't get taken out, then we're probably going to dance around and then start heading south. All right, so just want to make it quick. Got home just now. One of the trades hit the target right here, and then I closed the other two right here. So this was a phenomenal trade. USDJPY to the short side. Yeah, the US dollar got weaker as I expected. So today was a good day.